So today at 3:06, I received this email from Elementor, create AI generated images with Elementor AI. I was really excited, so I logged into my website and I tried to access this feature. But when I had an image, I could see it says coming soon. And I was like, wow, they sent me an email, but the feature is not available yet. Then I realized I'm using the outdated version of the plugin. So if you want to use the latest version where you can generate the AI images using Elementor AI, you need to update the latest version. And then I need to connect my account. And after connecting my account, I receive this email, your Elementor AI trial has started. Welcome to the Elementor AI. And then when I logged into my website, I have this feature. When I hover here, I could see option create with AI. So I add this new image here. And if I click here on create with AI, you can see there's some sample images here, but you can add some images. For example, I say add a contact us image. Then you can choose the image type, photographic, background, digital art, handmade, 3D. There are a lot of different options here. So I just leave everything default and then I click on generate images. And guys, this is funny, just after using this feature a couple of times, I receive another email from Elementor AI which says your Elementor AI trial is almost over. I just used this feature like a couple of times. Okay, so you can see here's the image which is created by Elementor AI. Looks real nice. We have this contact images here. So that's what you can do. What else you can do? You can click on use image, and then if you again click here, create with AI, and you have this 4 options. You can expand the image, or what you can do, you can change the image size, how you want it to be, landscape, 4:3, 3:2 aspect ratio. There are different options here, which looks really nice. If you go back, you have 3 more options here, which is generative fill, resize, and variation. And then you have this interesting feature, which is variations. So if you click on variations, this feature will create 4 variations of this image. So what you can do, you can choose this image, or you can say add laptop and then click on generate again. So this is the original image we created with Elementor AI, and now it is preparing 4 variations of this image. So you can see we have 4 variations of this image. They looks really funny. What is this? You can see that even laptop is in air floating, because if you see the original image, it is not even laptop, but this one looks like more like laptop, but really funny image. And guys, the really interesting happened. So what I did, so I wanted to change this image. So this is already image I added from pixels.com. So I selected this image and then I went here edit with AI, and then I asked variations, and then I said remove the laptop, and then I click on generate images, and you could see I said remove the laptop and it generated new image. So this is the original image. You can see there's a guy is working on laptop, but here in this image you have this weird image with 2 hands which are not at all perfect and you cannot use it. And here it added even more laptop which are really overlapping each other. And then there's a funny looking image here, totally not usable. So guys, what I realized, Elementor AI is generating images, looks real nice. In some cases it can works fine, but it is not ready yet. What are your thoughts? Have you used the Elementor AI yet or not to generate the images? Let me know in comments, guys. A new feature, and as I told you, I created a free account. I did not pay for this feature. So please try and let me know in comments how did it work for you. Do you like this feature or not? I'm sure in future it's going to be a real nice feature, but for now I think it's just nice to play with it, nothing much. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and leave your comments about this Elementor AI image generation tool.